everyone, and welcome back to a new video. Today we'll be unboxing and checking out the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now, I'm super excited to try out this camera since there has been so much hype about it, and I'm finally glad to get the chance to try it out. I'd say let's get right into the box. First things first, a little snack pack. Of course, don't eat it. A massive pouch and a little mystery box. We also got some stickers and documentation, as well as download links to the apps. In the mystery box we have a little protective cover, and inside this protective cover you can put your wide angle lens or Pro mist filter, and these just magnetize right into it, and this keeps everything just nicely in place when you're carrying it around in your pocket. Now, taking a look at the carrying bag, it's made out of a really high premium material and it just feels so nice and soft to touch. Inside it, it's absolutely packed with goodies, and we'll go through what everything is in a moment, but I just absolutely love how everything fits in here so neatly and is just packaged so nicely as well. Such attention to detail from DJI, and yeah, here we already see how actually tiny the Pocket 3 is. And inside this creator combo kit, you pretty much get everything you need to get started. If you're considering the camera, I would definitely recommend going for either the creator combo kit or the vlog kit. What you'll get is a handle with a 1/4 inch thread so you can mount it to tripods, a battery handle for extra battery life and also just a bit more grip, which is very nice. You also get a little mini tripod, which is absolutely awesome, especially when you combine it with the battery grip. You can just put the camera anywhere you want and get some really awesome shots. Now, what's super cool is as well, you get the wind cover and a wristband, and the best thing about this is the mic that you get with it. It's DJI's wireless mic 2, which is a fantastic lavalier microphone, connects directly to the DJI Osmo, and yeah, you have an amazing audio system with this microphone. Installing the wind cover as well, because it just makes sense to have, especially when recording outside. And it comes with a little magnet that you can use to clip the microphone onto, for example, your clothing and have a discreet look. Also, you get a wide angle lens that, as I mentioned before, you can clip into the protective case just to keep everything nicely and secure. Also, last but not least, a USB-C to C cable for charging and data. Now, taking a look at the actual Osmo Pocket, we have a little instruction manual here that explains us how to turn it on, and you can turn it on simply by flipping the screen. With one flip, the 2-inch OLED screen turns on and we're ready to shoot. First time turning it on, you need to set up the device. So in my case, I have to scan this QR code, download the DJI Mic app, and go through a setup process. Now, I wish this setup process was a little bit more straightforward. It kind of required me going to activate, scanning a QR code, logging in, skipping a ton of dialogues, saying no to some things, and then last but not least, to top everything off, doing a firmware update. The whole setup process took about 10 minutes, and while it was alright, I wish it was a bit faster. But once that was done and the last dialogue has been dismissed, you can already then connect to the Wi-Fi network of the Pocket 3 and start shooting remotely. Now, checking out the Osmo here, it has some tutorials to get started, guiding you through the UI and the various swipe gestures. And with that said, time to head over to MediaMarkt and pick up an SD card. They had a massive selection, but kind of not the ones that I wanted, so I ended up going for a Samsung 256GB drive, and it's packaged in indestructible cardboard packaging. So here's a very destructive unboxing of that. Comes with a little adapter as well, and I'd say let's load up the Pocket 3 and shoot some test footage. And there we'd have it. That's my quick overview and first impressions of the Osmo Pocket 3. Definitely stay tuned and subscribe for more, as I'll be doing a full video about the Pocket 3 and some very cool accessories coming soon. What do you think of the Pocket 3? Have you picked one up? Let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.